time I talk about the dangers of using AI in your MBA application, some people think I'm anti-AI. I'm not. I'm very bullish on AI. I can tell you that this year, all MBA candidates I've worked or spoken with have used AI in their MBA applications to some extent. When you use it well, it can work real magic. It can do nearly everything a great MBA admissions consultant can. But just because it can doesn't mean it always does. So, first, a word about doing it wrong. The biggest trap I see is outsourcing your judgment to AI. What does that mean? It's when you stop using AI as a tool to clarify or sharpen your thinking and start letting it think for you. And honestly, it happens for a simple reason. Most applicants don't actually know what good writing looks like in MBA applications. They don't know what a strong essay should look and sound like. And they're so focused on what the AdCom wants to hear that they start searching for a way to crack the code. They go hunting for the magic formula. And in 2025, that formula often comes wrapped in a shiny interface called an AI MBA admissions coach. These tools make big promises, but they also come with a big problem. These tools are trained on thousands of past successful applications. MBA candidates hear that and think, great, that's exactly what I need. But the only thing that these tools do is replicate patterns. They're not evaluating judgment or context. They're just echoing what worked before for someone who has nothing to do with you. And don't even get me started on the risk of plagiarism these AI coaches create. Why am I saying this? Consider this. They ingest your personal inputs and those of every other user. The output is then drawn from that collective pool, which means that your personalized essay ends up as the statistical average of hundreds of other applicants. But it gets worse. That also means the tool can feed you phrasing, structure, or ideas that are just a little too close to existing material. You won't know, but the plagiarism detection tools might, and that's the kind of problem that, unlike AI detection, can really doom an MBA application. A much smarter play for any MBA candidate is to build your own AI workspace. You should build the skills for that anyway because schools and employers expect it of you. When you create your own setup, you're not feeding your ideas into someone else's content engine. You're creating a private space where the AI learns your voice, your reasoning, the way you sound. That means you can use it to organize your thoughts, test your ideas, and challenge your writing without ever outsourcing your judgment. Let it learn your rhythm, the way you talk, the way you think, and then use it to help you iterate until you capture your story and say it with clarity and conviction while also keeping your privacy intact. So that's the future, MBA hopefuls. Personal AI, not platform AI. Now, if this was helpful, you know what you can do, right? Hit like so you can help some other MBA hopeful out there find this video. And hit subscribe too, because next week I will share how I help my candidates use AI the smart way. Oh, and check out the link in the description where I've shared some of the findings that I have about why it happens that some people use AI the wrong way.